Good morning. I'm having my breakfast at the backyard near the gazebo. I got a little bit of sunshine, so that's vitamin D. I'm removing the shell of my boiled egg. My drink is a cappuccino. A little bit salt. I got a bread here with the. I don't like margarine. I just put the Thousand Island dressing. Then I just heat it for 5 seconds. Then I will try to, we call this sausaw in Tagalog. Then I will eat. It's just like the good old days, like when I watch a movie regarding Jesus Christ. I think they were something like in a cave with his disciples, and they tried to eat their bread. So they make sausaw to the coffee, and they eat like that. I think it's a very practical thing, you know. You don't need any sandwich inside the bread. You just submerge that in your coffee, and you just could eat it just like that. It's a simple living, but you survive. Okay, I will try to open my second egg. I think egg is good for the health of our eyes, you know. Plus, egg is also a source of protein, you know. once in a while, I eat red meat, but not so much. The good thing about me is that I usually eat green leafy vegetables, so it will contradict whatever negative effect the one when I eat some red meat, because red meat it's a source of protein, but don't overdo it because it got some negative effects on our body. I am putting some salt on the egg. Then drink some cappuccino. I will set aside the shell of the egg. I will be using the shells of this egg to fertilize some of my plantings. My squash at the back is already okay. It's blooming. I think it is starting to grow some flowers. And I just planted that I think 2 weeks ago. I got one more bread. I cut it in half. It got a Thousand Island dressing inside. I don't like margarine. Margarine is a bad source of cholesterol. I prefer cheese if I've got the cheese. It's just like the good old days during Jesus Christ time when they were eating inside the cave with the disciples. They tried to eat their bread, they tried to submerge that in their coffee, and they just ate it like that. I'm almost done with my breakfast, guys. So I got 2 eggs and 2 breads. My sandwich is just a Thousand Island dressing, and I got a cappuccino. At my age, my blood pressure was normal. It's almost 120/80. So it's a good thing that I got a good blood pressure. I'm always a busy person. I work outside the backyard, you know. First thing in the morning, I try to clean the surrounding by using our this one. And I got another broom for removing the dust on the, what you call these tiles, you know. Then I will try to bring out the music on Mega Cebu, but I can't bring out the music, background music. Okay, that's it, guys. That's how I got my breakfast for today. It's Thursday on June 27, 2024. Okay, this is Professor David J. De Lucis. Just finished my breakfast at the backyard. Okay, with a little bit sunshine to have a natural vitamin D. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles.